What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking the ES sedan to Red Zone to get tuned. The fan this morning didn't turn on because of the carburetor, and I decided, you know what, I'm still gonna make today happen, and we're gonna drive the car. So the sedan is all warmed up, it is packed up, and we are ready to hit the road. All-wheel drive, stock fill neck, say less. You guys are probably wondering why I have a rag right here. It was leaking at one point, and then it stopped leaking, and then I rebuilt the line, and then it was leaking, and then it stopped leaking. I don't smell any fuel, but it doesn't hurt to have a rag over there just in case. But we are pumping. The Buddy Club label is blinding my eyes. It's glowing red.
Telling you if you get into an accident, to make sure you call him. Telling you that if you call him, that call can change your life.
Truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You were so important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose.
You tuned already. This is the third car in the dyno.
Yep.
All EGs, one CRX.
Yep.
Yeah, man, I missed the CRX, man. Jay don't play. He always comes in the live stream. Stock K24, RBC, bolt-ons, nothing crazy. And this one is already doing like what'd you say, 226?
226.
226, not shabby. Not shabby.
at all.
That was the second pull, second full pull.
Yeah.
Yeah, 8,200 RPMs. What traction? There's no way this guy just stalled a mail truck, man. Hey, I think he needs the sauce, Jeremy. I missed this car right here. Damn. Drive safe. All motor K24. Built 2420. Ooh, man, 831. Watch out. Damn, look at this. And this one, the color. Not only that, this color. Quit playing. Hey, he's got a shift down though.
Yeah, he shifts good.
Yeah, he shifts pretty good.
What did I do to deserve you? Don't even know what I did. But he can play the game, so don't keep my twin as my man.
All right, guys, got the sedan up on the dyno. Jeremy just finished up that V6 Honda Accord. Hey, what did Accord make? 220. 220. I think 223.
Yeah, all stock.
Didn't have anything crazy in it. It was just deleted cats and an intake.
Deleted cats and intake.
Yeah, on a Flash Pro. So the cars.
They make 204 to the wheel.
204 stock to the wheel. Yeah, not shabby. He also had the Odyssey intake manifold and spacers and stuff, but still stocked auto body. Nothing crazy, but he's overall happy because the car, he said, felt a lot faster than when he showed up here. So anyways, guys, car's up on a dyno. Jeremy, I don't have a wideband sensor, so we're gonna have to plug one up. We're gonna have to put up the O2 sensor because I did forget it at home for some reason. Like 2 in the morning on fucking Thursday. What's going on here is the car is hitting boost cut, which is set to 17. The spring that I put in is for 44 tile wastegate, which is 1 bar for 14.7, but we're hitting boost cut at 17. So right now we're gonna have to let the car cool off, so that way we can pull the gate off, double check everything with the wastegate, and then figure out if we can tame the boost down a little bit so we could tune the rest of the way. So yeah, with these fans it should pull off pretty quickly.
Bruh.
See, I told you, Jeremy, that's the one that came in the bag. I showed you that.
No. Yeah, he's been going to
Yeah,
the
that's
gym.
like 10. That's like 10 pounds with them. I saw the muscles, bro. That shit was like 10 pounds.
This is not 10 pounds, dog.
Bro, that's like 37 pounds.
Look at that. You squeeze that thing end to end, bro.
Okay, it's 12.
No, it's 17.
More than 17 because we hit the boost creep at 17. Look, I'm telling you guys, it says right there, big yellow spring. It's 1 bar, bro.
What about the little yellow spring? The little yellow spring.
No. See, for your information, I measured the width. That's what it said on the diagram, okay? That's why I thought it was a 1 bar.
She said girth matters.
Exactly. So Jeremy put the spoon color, the blue and the yellow. And Jeremy, you said it was a combination to what?
It says it's 16 pounds.
It says 16 pounds on the graph, so...
I'm predicting 17.
Okay, well, the only way we'll know that is the boost.
Between 14 and 17.
Okay, so if the tuner said is okay, we're just gonna send it.
I didn't say it was okay. I just said
But I consulted my tuner.
I'm saying it's okay.
I gave the choice to cut the spring. So we're over here at Ace to grab some hardware for this electronic boost controller because we want to try to get a little more PSI out of it for my car. Oh, one shot.
That was 14 pounds.
14?
This is the first time we blew one of your engines on the Dyno.
God damn. Second.
Huh?
Second one. The first one was the CRX with the very first motor.
Yeah, that's right.
And we finished the Dyno already. Damn.
Well, that sucks.
Yeah. Yeah, hey.
It is part of the game.
It's part of the game.
All part of the game. It happened to me too.
Yeah, yeah. At B20 VTEC Live, huh?
Very first one. Off the rock. Or top of the valve.
I mean, I do have the built motor on standby. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it is what it is. The fire, yeah, it was in the back. And it started burning the fucking, the wrap. That's where the fire was coming from. But that was a window though, right? There had to been a window.
It's a window.
It's a window.
It's a window. It's
We heard
through
that.
the
We
rod.
heard that clacking.
Yeah, it's through the rod.
Yay. Hey, you know what? At the end of the day, nothing we can do about it other than just push it off.
15 pounds, 12 degrees.
12 degrees.
My headphones sound right. And then I start seeing shit under the car. I'm like, oh,
Sometimes they just don't make it.
Hey,
that's all the boost.
sometimes this is the gamble you take when you buy engines from the junkyard. This was an unopened K20 A2 that sat under my rack for like 2 years.
Yeah.
How many miles were on it?
How am I supposed to know?
Enough for all the boost.
Yeah. All I knew was when I did compression test, it was good, and I threw it in the car, and I tested my luck with it. And this is actually one of the first junkyard engines that catastrophically failed.
Yeah. It's all part of the game.
Hey, all smiles, baby, all smiles. But like I said, I got that built motor, been on standby, Chris built race engine, and you know, this is the opportunity to come back bigger, badder, and stronger at the end of the day.
I mean, for a junkyard engine, without knowing anything about it, who knows?
Who knows?
It happens. It happens to me. This stuff's gonna happen to you.
Hey, but like I said, this is the opportunity for bounce back. It is what it is. On to the next car.
Yeah, let's get this one off. Probably soft. We've done
Is it?
higher on pump gas.
Look,
15 psi, 12 degrees.
that junkyard special.
It didn't want to hold.
Hey, it is what it is.
It is what it is.
Guys, I think that's the circlip to my piston wrist pin right there. And I think it's safe to say that my piston has left the chat.
Well, I dropped 2 pounds.
Yo, look at my rings, bro. Hey, I'm taking home some souvenirs, baby. Let's go. Look at this shit.
Captain Crunch, boy.
Damn. Okay, I'm taking these guys too.
What would happen if you had a VR6 in it?
What would happen sooner? Sure you know that.
What would happen sooner?
At least it would sound better doing it.
Last car up tonight, DB1 Integra, built B Series turbo. That built up a good amount of boost. What traction?
Can't see that with the LS treads.
So unfortunately my car stays here overnight, and just want to give you guys a look before we head home. There is a window right there, and guess what? It was still running on 3 cylinders.
Yes, it was.
So the homie Blanco is going to be coming back here tomorrow to pick it up for me and drop it off at the pad tomorrow, and we're going to go back to square one with this car. It is what it is, but that wraps up our dyno day.